The Index MS series. Unprecedented levels of speed and accuracy. Easy to use open architecture. And an increase in price-performance ratio of up to 40%. A game-changing technology delivering a dramatic jump forward in turn-to-part production. Widely used for turn-part production, conventional machines with cam-driven slides and restricted spindle speeds were difficult to set and noisy. Performing poorly on accuracy, they were largely limited to the machining of free-cutting materials. In the Index Multi-Spindle series, workspace has been maximised, with no longitudinal slides, allowing total freedom of access. CNC control with independent spindle speeds offers faster setup, with the flexibility to handle lower batch sizes. With their own C-axis and independently CNC controlled, spindles can be run at any speed or in any direction, and be employed for driven tool work in any position. Internal or external tools can be deployed in each cross-slide position and moved as required for different processes. With substantial power in each spindle, swarf generation is controlled, whilst the open architecture facilitates chip flow. Liquid cooling techniques are used to control thermal growth. The result is unprecedented levels of accuracy, with 20-micron tolerances across all 6 spindles, routinely held to 1.67 CPK. With over 2,000 machines sold worldwide, the advantages offered by the Index Multi-Spindle series are clear. Lower costs and shorter production times allow you to stay competitive, while increased freedom and short runs mean greater flexibility in meeting customer needs. In Part 2, see how the Multi-Spindle series from Index delivers on cost and speed.